Prashant and Harshala's family were living in a rented house in Shivane Taluk near Pune. They had two children, a 16-year-old boy Jay and a 10-year-old girl Jia.
आम्ही पुण्यामध्ये साधारण 2008 पासून पुण्यामध्ये आहोत. खूप चांगलं चाललं होतं, म्हणजे अगदी शून्यापासून स्टार्ट करायचं म्हटलं असं तरी चालेल. आणि तेव्हा माझा मुलगा 1 वर्षाचा होता.
Prashant worked as a manager in a chocolate factory outlet and earned 15,000 rupees. They were content and they had some savings too. The couple dreamed of opening their own chocolate store. However, the pandemic COVID-19 struck the world again and Prashant contracted COVID-19 in the second wave. The family was distraught. Harshala used up all her savings for treatment, but Prashant could not be saved and he succumbed. Harshala had to shoulder the responsibility of running the home, paying rent, educating children, and repaying the loans. She was emotionally drowned and financially burdened. Harshala realized that she couldn't stay home anymore. She took up a job in a private company as a surveyor for Suvarna Prashan, an immunity booster for children. Jay, being older, was very supportive.
कुठेतरी असं विचारून एक सर्वेचं काम भेटलं. त्याला मला रोजचे 300 रुपये भेटायचे. ते घरी घेऊन यायचे, मुलांना खाऊन बरोबर दुसऱ्या दिवशी परत कामाला जायचे.
Though the government helped their family a little, it was not sufficient and they expected some more help from somewhere. Sathi, in collaboration with Bajaj Finserv, came to her aid. Sathi's team paid Jay's tuition fees, house rent for 3 months, got grocery kits, medical insurance policy, school bags and stationery, enrolled Jia in the Bal Sangopan scheme, and also supported Harshala for small entrepreneurship, that is, door-to-door garment selling. Harshala and her children are very happy and express their gratitude to Sathi team.
मी अगदी मनापासून आभार मानते बजाज आणि साथी संस्थाचे.